Binance Coin price prediction. The cryptocurrency market has been dealing with a lot of volatility over the past couple of days. Although the surge in price dragged the digital assets out of a consolidation phase, the correction has been pushing the price of altcoins down. The third largest cryptocurrency with a market cap of $39.86 billion, Binance Coin was trading at $256.78. So if we look at the Binance Coin 1 hour chart, we can see the BNB highlighted how the price of the digital asset was on a gradual downtrend. After hitting $270, the price saw a further drop and was currently at $259.18. At the time of this video, the coin found support at $254.48 and has been holding on to this level. Given the bearishness in the market and the strength of the BNB market, we may be looking at a period of consolidation. The BNB market was noting a sudden surge in volatility as the correction set in. However, the market has turned bearish since it started to trend lower, but the selling pressure increased as the asset encountered a sudden drop. However, the buyers were trying to stabilize the price of BNB and pushing it higher from the support. This was indicated by the relative strength index that had dipped in the oversold zone but had now reversed. The value of the indicator was still close to the oversold zone but was pointing towards the equilibrium zone. So what are the crucial levels? Entry level $258.95. Take profit $270.65. Stop level $251.27. Risk to reward 1.52. The Binance Coin market have suffered a strong correction, but the price has been holding above support at $254.48. Despite the bearish signs in the market, the value of BNB may move sideways as the remaining crypto market recovers. Polkadot price prediction. Polkadot is trading at the apex of a symmetrical triangle pattern ahead of the anticipated liftoff to 50. The resistance at $40 remains the biggest hindrance to the bullish outlook. Polkadot is among the few crypto assets set to begin the week in green. Bitcoin surprised many by making a real break above $60,000 over the weekend. DOT is most likely following in its footsteps to achieve another record high. Meanwhile, DOT is trading at the apex of a symmetrical triangle. This pattern highlights a period of consolidation in addition to a potential breakout or breakdown. The symmetrical triangle is formed by two trend lines whereby one connects a series of higher lows and series of higher highs. A breakout will occur as soon as the price slices through the upper trend line. The move to the north is usually drastic and confronted by a sudden increase in trading volume. Triangle breakouts have exact targets measured from the pattern's highest to lowest points. Polkadot is very close to breaking above the upper trend line, where it will launch 31% higher to a new all-time high. The anticipated upswing will be reinforced if the MACD sustains the cross of the signal line. Moreover, the indicator should stay within the positive region to secure the bullish impulse. Note that the bullish outlook will fail to hold if Polkadot upside is continually limited under the upper trend line, and by association the seller congestion at $40. On the downside, the 50 simple moving average is in the line to offer support. Massive losses eyeing levels under $25 will come into the picture in the symmetrical triangle breakdown. Resistance at $38.23 formed a formidable upper ceiling as gains on the world's fifth largest cryptocurrency, Polkadot, were largely capped at the aforementioned mark since the price bounced back from $28.67 support. At the time of this video, the Bollinger Bands were constricted and showed low volatility as the price moved between $38.23 and $35.08. The ADX indicator moved flat from slightly above the 10 mark and showed a weak trend in the market. Consolidation between the present channel could be considered a bullish development as the price was just 15% off from its local high of over $42. The 24-hour trading volume can be observed over the upcoming sessions for an upwards breakdown from the channel.